Your cologne on my lip. So today we are working on a sewing project, as it is 7:30 at night, and we're going to eat, and then we are going to work on two quick things we have to do. We have to work on, I need to finish my Korean, and I need to work on my writing. I'm not 100% sure about all the details. I'm still working everything out. I'm currently doing a test for one of my shirts, I would call it, I'm sewing. I'm supposed to be taking photos with it and the jacket I made. We'll see how that goes, because I can't wear it if it doesn't work. So let us get it. Let's get. Please don't fall. So now we are going to eat our food and work on our Korean. And then we are going to start sewing. Ow. Please don't fall. So I finished eating and relaxing a bit, and now make some coffee. It's about 9 p.m. now, and we're gonna get ready. And then we are going to start sewing and working on a project. So let's go.
Bed to myself, nobody stealing covers.
While I was doing all these things, I was thinking about what it would be like if I was the main character in a movie. One thing that I started doing in high school was whenever I didn't feel like doing something, I would imagine I was the main character in a movie, and my character had to play out the role of being successful, working hard, or doing anything that would get them further towards their goals. So that is what I was doing here. I was just imagining that I was a character in a movie who had to give up sleep in order to achieve the thing she wanted. And that was what I was doing here. I was actually having so much fun, even though it was really late at night. This is one way, if you're ever struggling to do something, just imagine that you're the main character in a movie, and it changes your perspective on literally everything. All of a sudden, the most simple things are literally the most epic ever. Like, you're getting coffee, but if you were in a movie, you would be a young woman who was waking up in the morning, going after her dreams. And this was the best cup of coffee you'd ever tasted.
I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to. I like to drive by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk.
Now it is time to watch some videos on how to add a frill trim to the edges.
Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody.
So for these clips here, I actually did this lining of the jacket a couple weeks ago, in case you notice the different nail polish. So that's what's going on with this.
I can't think straight.
The approach.
My mind is rushing of words you won't.
1967.
Notice of the way you feel.
Their organization.
Everything I do, I'm too late.
In parentheses. Unfortunately, followers do what.
And then right here, I worked on sewing this the other day.
Your cologne on my lips. My skin adores being with yours. I'm alone, right about now. Wanna kick it, you might miss it when it's cold. And I've got withdrawal symptoms every time you leave.
Oh my gosh, the aftermath. Wow. This is gonna take a while to clean up.
So in the end, you can tell I just had a lot of fun, and this is something I haven't really done before, but I really enjoyed it and definitely want to do again. So make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you want to see more content like this. Here's just some clips of me working on my bullet journal, and if you guys want to follow me on any other social medias, I will have them linked below.
I know this takes more than just 3 months for someone like you. More than just your trust before I might lose.
So before I end the video, I actually wanted to show you guys something. This is something I have been working on for about half a year, and I was never able to do it because I was always so scared of the back blind part because I couldn't see where I was putting my hands. And finally learning how to do this has taught me so much about how fear is in our mind and that our greatest limitations are all in our head. So going forward into 2021, I want to push into my fears and stop letting my head hold me back and start using it to bring me forward.